Dear student, this video is regarding the CBSE 10th Standard Term 1 exam. Already, school has conducted the session with the student to instruct all the things and how to fill the OMR sheet. But once again, you should know all these important points. So when you can come to the school, you are allowed to come to the school from quarter to 10 to quarter to 11. Okay, you should report the school before 10:30, because after 10:30 you are allowed to get into the room where your exam is there. Exam room में आपको entry कब से मिलेगा? 10:30 से लेके 10:45 तक only. Okay, you should not come after 10:45. 10:45 there will be a long bell, and after that no student is allowed. This is the strict instruction from the board. So school cannot do anything if the student is coming after 10:45. Now before getting entry to the room, you will be getting checked whatever the things you have carried with you. Now what you should carry? You should be in a school uniform, I-card should be there, admit card should be there with you, and mask up. Okay, what you should carry? You should have black or blue ballpoint pens. You should have pair. Okay, you should have either both black or both blue. Once you are using black and then blue, that is not allowed. Okay, pen should be in a good running condition. You should have writing pad. How should be your writing pad? It should be transparent like this. You should carry. Okay, nothing should be written on that. And you can carry your water bottle. Okay, on that also nothing should be written. Nothing else you should carry. No pencil, eraser, sharpener, scale, ruler, any geometrical tool. Nothing should be there. Even you should not have watch if you don't have the simple watch. After getting in the class, once again your admit card and whatever the things you have carried with you, that will be checked. Again it will be announced that any objectionable thing have you carried with you. If you have carried, you can give it that time. If it is found after that, then it will be considered as the unfair means and board will not announce your result. Before 11:10 you will be getting your question paper. Before that you will get OMR sheet. Okay, how to fill OMR sheet, that point I will take it just now. Okay, your reading time is 20 minutes. So from 11:10 to 11:30 you should read it thoroughly and you should make a choice which you want to attempt, which you don't want to attempt. But there should be no marking on a question paper as well as OMR sheet. Okay, during this period there should be no marking. Your exam will start from 11:30 and it will end at 1 PM. Now in between this time, after every half an hour, invigilator will instruct you how much time is remaining, and there will be also a bell just 1 hour after this. It means 12:30 one bell will be there, and before ending the exam, 10 minutes before ending the exam, it means 12:50 one bell will be there. Okay, now here once again we are going to see how you can fill your OMR sheet. Okay, now this part will be already pre-filled. Pre-filled मतलब ये बोर्ड की तरफ से ही सब लिख के आएगा. Nothing you should do here. Okay, this part you should write. What it is? It is a question paper code. After getting the question paper, you can see, let us consider this is your question paper. You can have the question paper code at the rightmost top corner. यहाँ पे corner में दिया रहेगा. That code you should fill it there. Okay, and what you should write? This sentence you should write in a running writing. Running writing means whatever your natural writing is there, in that you should write down this sentence and then you should sign here. That much only you have to do. This part and this part. Okay, now when the exam will start means after 10:30 you can record your responses. How you can record the responses? Okay, if the correct option is B, correct response is B, you have to circle B and you have to write down here in a box, that is a star column. यहाँ पे आपको B लिखना है. Okay, this is the correct way of writing the recording the response as well as writing the response. Okay, now in some case if you have darken the B, but after some time you are feeling that no, C is the correct option. Okay, so instead of B you can write down here C. So whatever you are going to write down in a star column, that will be checked by the evaluator. Okay, if two options you have darken it, but you are feeling that A is the correct, so A you should write down and your answer will be considered as A. Okay, here two options you have, but instead of A or B you have written C, then C will be taken as the answer by the evaluator and it will be get evaluated. Okay, if you have just mark it and you have not darken it, B को आपने just mark किया है या फिर half circle किया है. Okay, this is not the correct way, but if you have written here B, then your answer will be considered as B and it will be evaluated by the evaluator. Okay, now in this case if your answer you want to put it as B, but you have already darkened as a C, your answer will be considered as B. Means whatever you are going to write down in a star column, that will be considered as the correct one. But after writing B, you have circled this. ये circle आपको कब करना है? When remaining 10 minutes are there and you have solved all the questions. If there is maximum 40 question you have to solve in a question paper and 50 are given. Okay, so if you have solved all 50 but you are doubtful that this answer may not be correct. Okay, तो 6th question को आपको क्या करना है? यहाँ पे 6 नंबर में आपको डार्क करना है. It means even if you have written here B, it will be not considered, it will be not evaluated. Okay, once you have dark this circle, it means that question will not be evaluated. ठीक है, वो क्वेश्चन इवेल्युएट नहीं किया जाएगा जहां आप इसको डार्क कर रहे हो. So next questions will be considered and that will be checked. Now some more possibilities we can see here. Here nothing you have darken, कुछ भी आपने डार्क नहीं किया है. Okay, and you have dark this, it means it is considered as the unattempted questions. Okay, and this will not be evaluated. Now here you know that answer is B, you have circle it. Okay, you darken it but you have not written it, it means it will be not get evaluated. ये आपका evaluate नहीं होगा. In this case if you have not darken the circle but if you have written in a box, then it will get evaluated. ये आपका evaluate होगा, though it is not a correct method. ठीक है, ये आपका मार्किंग का करेक्ट मेथड नहीं है, फिर भी ये आपका इवेल्युएट होगा. ओके, एंड इन केस इफ यू हैव नॉट डन एनी पार्ट, ये कोई भी पार्ट आपने नहीं किया है. ठीक है, ये 4 ऑप्शंस में से कोई भी आपने डार्क नहीं किया है, यहाँ भी नहीं लिखा है, यहाँ भी नहीं लिखा है, it will be considered as the unfair means. This is not allowed. Okay, so either this or either this you should mark. या तो हैश में आप करिए या फिर आप स्टार में दिया है वो करिए. ठीक है, इसमें से कुछ तो भी करना जरूरी है. इफ यू हैव नॉट डन दिस, इट विल बी कंसिडर्ड एज द अनफेयर मीन्स. ओके, एंड दिस विल बी नॉट that student result may not be announced. In a question paper, if there are maximum 50 questions and you have circled all these, you have attempted all these 60, only till 50 it will be evaluated. If it is given maximum, you have to solve 50 question. Section wise question, whatever it is given, out of 20, 16 only you have to solve. So you have to solve 16 only. Other questions you can put it as unattempted. ठीक है, 16 ही क्वेश्चन आप उसमें से कीजिए, बाकी क्वेश्चन आप यहाँ पे हैश जो है उस कॉलम में आप यू कैन डार्क इट. I think all the instructions I have already covered. Okay, all the best.